Ayun po. So, first and foremost, of course, thank you so much po, Bukas, for recognizing students like us po na unconventional yung journey towards achieving our dreams. Kasi usually, di ba, regular students, honors talaga yung na-recognize. But you gave us parang a way or platform para makapagsabi kami ng stories namin and ma-recognize. Deciding to transfer was really a big and life-changing decision that I had to do. Pero things were just not really working out for me back then. So I decided to transfer. So I was really questioned a lot, judged, tsaka even criticized pa nga minsan. Pero I have no regrets. I'm proud of myself na I took that leap of faith. Tapos, ayun, thank you so much din sa school ko kasi nung lost nga ako, sobrang baba ng self-esteem ko. So parang ngayon na nasa nursing ako, parang ang daming opportunities na ibibigay sa amin para na bumalik yung self-esteem namin tsaka mag-take ng responsibilities na nagagawa namin yung kung ano pala yung kaya namin gawin. And ayun, thank you so much. Tapos again, lastly, thank you so much sa Bukas kasi ayun nga, you recognize students na like us na very, ayun, lahat kami na yung stories namin worth hearing din. Tsaka for other people na kinakabahan din sa mangyayari sa buhay nila. Pero yun, sana mas marami pa kayong matulungan at ma-inspire. Thank you!